What's up guys, Brian, SoCo Customs here. This truck is an absolute showstopper. As soon as it rolled out of our shop, everybody just quit work for the next couple of minutes and went out to check this thing out. But first, roll that intro.
Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of sun. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me, yeah. Big time, big time, big time, big time. I got a lot of shine. Running up the numbers, that's a lot of grind. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Lot of shine. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar signs. Try to take it from me. Big time.
There you have it. Let's roll through that build sheet. We sent this 2021 1500 Denali diesel up 6 inches on the rough country kit. Yes, that is correct. You can lift the Denalis, you can lift the diesels, and we did it. The usual Denali kit comes with spacers to achieve the lift. We took out the adaptive ride control and replaced it with the Vertex shocks by Rough Country. These are fully adjustable coilovers. Definitely a great ride on them. We then added a leveling kit from Rough Country to achieve the lift required to clear this massive wheel and tire combo. The wheels are the H502s from Hard Rock Off-Road. They are a 24x14. We wrapped those in the Fury Country Hunter MTs. These are a 365/45 R24. That's almost a 37-inch tall by a 14.5-inch wide. This tire combo is massive. Fury always has the hookup on these crazy sizes that we end up putting on trucks. And of course, you can just pull the adaptive ride control shocks out of the system, but you will have a warning light on the dashboard. There are a couple of companies that will make various wires that trick the adaptive ride control into thinking that it's still functioning and gets rid of that light for you. All right, guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to give us a subscribe, comment in the comment section below what you think of this build. And if you want a SoCo build of your own, we would love to have you down to the shop. Give us a call. I will put our phone number below and we'll get you set up with a design meeting. We'll project everything up on our 55-inch screens, sit you down in our comfy chairs, and make you the absolute baddest truck we possibly can.